Assalamu alaikum, brothers, and peace unto you. Guess what's gonna happen next here at the Bedouin Tent? Well, let me tell you a little thing about what's gonna go on in Chicago, or across the United States. What's gonna happen is, there's places that are essential businesses, construction, grocery stores, whatnot. People challenge what's essential. And whatever's essential that does open up is gonna open up. And then what's going to happen is people that are looking for jobs are going to go take those jobs. Now, whether those jobs are people are documented or not documented, that's another story. So everybody's cool, right? You know, but they're going to fill that vacuum. Hear that sound? That's the sound of a vacuum sucking up all those jobs while you stay at home. Yeah. Anyway, just something to think about. It's morning time in my tent. It's time for some coffee.